Where's it coming from, Paul? Let's follow you to it. We're gonna get to the bottom of this tonight. Well, sometimes all this takes is a jiggle.
One.
Sometimes it takes more than that. I think I got it actually. Maybe not. No.
Well, I think I know what we need to do next.
So if you want to hire us, just visit plumbingforfuckingidiots.com and, you know, this is what you'll get.
Solid gold.
$250 an hour, but look at this face.
We'll
give you the tour of the...
These are some trophies we won at the Tracks Pub. They were giving them out.
They,
These are, oh, yeah, get some.
they look like lights without bulbs to me.
Yeah, it was the light balls.
Yeah, Brady.
Here's a man that plays cards all by himself.
Enjoy a nice fast game of solitaire. Yes, that's the stuff.
The thing about the Viking this was about 4 point something. And then I knew those who are trading in guns these days can sell it at about
This is Eric doing the theme song to our new sitcom,
The Fight.
The Fight. In
Sitcom.
Olds.
In Olds.